Rosie the rabbit twitched her nose very fast. She poked her head out of her underground burrow. The air smelled fresh and green. Rosie the rabbit had long ears that could hear everything. She used them to listen for any sounds. Rustle, rustle went a leaf. Rosie the rabbit heard it clearly. Hop, hop went Rosie the rabbit out into the meadow. She hopped carefully, looking all around. Her soft fur was the color of the earth. Rosie the rabbit was looking for her breakfast. She saw some juicy clover nearby. Yum, thought Rosie the rabbit. She nibbled the clover with her little teeth. Crunch, crunch went Rosie the rabbit. The clover was sweet and tasty. While eating, Rosie the rabbit flicked her ears. They moved this way and that way. They helped her hear if anyone was coming. Suddenly Rosie the rabbit heard a different sound. A loud sound far away. Boing, boing went Rosie the rabbit. She hopped away very quickly. She ran back towards her safe burrow. Her strong back legs pushed her fast. It was just a big bird flying overhead. Rosie the rabbit felt safe inside her burrow. She waited for a moment. Then Rosie the rabbit poked her nose out again. The air smelled clear. She decided to keep exploring the meadow. Rosie the rabbit loved her twitching nose and her long ears. They helped her find food and stay safe. Another day of hopping and listening for Rosie the rabbit.